Good morning. Today we will be going through a short demonstration of PartSource Pro. I'll show you some of the ways leading health systems across the country are using our enterprise service and platform on a daily basis. First, you will see how a technician can easily use PartsSource.com to get in, get out, and get on with their day while providing a one-stop shop and all the progress tracking features a technician needs to service the different hospital departments. Next, we will demonstrate the value to the management team. Our platform will provide workflow features and time-saving integration to help your management team improve operations, manage and coordinate orders, and reduce the overall cost per patient bed. Finally, you will see how PartSource Pro can help you better manage your supply chain and optimize your department by reducing time to repair, implement purchasing policies that will help avoid unnecessary costs, increase overall quality, and become more efficient. PartSource has recently updated our entire platform to help your busy engineers save even more time. Doug is a Biomed tech who is looking for a replacement battery pack for a GE Marquette patient monitor. He's also just completed preventative maintenance on a small-screen CareFusion 8015 infusion pump, and after testing it, he noticed an error code pointing to an improper door detection related to the display. Doug can access products and services all in one place and find what he needs in any number of different ways. 1. Our catalog is organized by department. Here, Doug can view different product categories to find just the product he is looking for. 2. He can use Shop by Device to see products by make and model. 3. Doug can access frequently used products by creating favorites or personalized lists. 4. He can quickly find products using the search box. In addition, at any point, Doug can simply request a quote at a click of a button by providing details on what he's looking for or uploading a picture, and our sourcing team will locate and quote the product for him. We even have a mobile app, so we can do all of this on the go. In this case, Doug is looking for that GE Marquette 5962 battery. You can see the intelligent search is completely personalized, helping him to validate the right product for the right device. Doug can filter by OEM model capacity or any number of ways using the filters on the left. In this example, Doug has found the right product and is selecting an aftermarket option. PartsSource has access to over 4 million products and services. Over 70% of what we sell comes from original equipment manufacturers, but we provide options so technicians can get access to the highest quality products at a lower cost. By typing in the work order, Doug can add the product to his cart and be on his way. Everything Doug purchases within the platform comes with a warranty and package tracking, so it's one less thing he has to worry about. Next, Doug needs access to a CareFusion Alaris 8015 display. Each item is displayed with detailed pictures so he can quickly confirm it's the right product for the repair. In addition to product details and technical specs, Doug can also check which equipment the product actually fits. Doug noticed the aftermarket price is almost identical to the full depot repair cost. To save time, Doug elects to use our flat-rate depot repair service and initiates the repair online. PartSource has over 650 flat-rate repair services, and oftentimes the price is much less than the cost of the part plus the cost per hour of repair. At this point, Doug could check out, print the packing label for the CareFusion pump, and get back to work carefree. After getting back to the Biomed shop, Doug quickly wanted to check the status of his orders. PartSource provides integrated tracking and approval workflow features designed to work with his organization. Doug can use PartSource to easily keep track of and follow up on orders and quotes. From the homepage, Doug can see all the quotes, exchanges, and repairs in motion. By clicking Quoted, he can pull up an ultrasound flat-rate exchange and accept the quote. By clicking the My Account and Order menu, Doug notices the OptiTop tube has been waiting for approval. Doug can nudge the approver, which will send an automated email message to his manager, reminding him to approve the order. Lastly, Doug can easily see which orders have been shipped and track the package right from inside the system. With PartSource, each technician can control what types of notifications they'd like to see. In this case, Doug set up email and text notifications so he can stay on top of his work orders. Pete runs the Biomed shop at Chatham Memorial. While PartSource Pro is great for technicians like Doug, it's even more powerful for managers. PartSource allows Pete to run his department more efficiently and spare his team the hassle of shopping for parts so they can spend more of their time on servicing the needs of the hospital instead. We have found that it takes an average hospital over an hour per tech per day to shop, approve, and fulfill orders. PartSource Pro can integrate directly into your CMMS system, saving your technicians even more time, and providing detailed purchase order and pricing data back into your CMMS for easy reporting. And with our ERP integration, we can automatically generate purchase orders and reconcile invoices with secure PO and invoice tracking. A typical CE department with 10 technicians can save 2,600 hours a year with PartSource Pro or 1.3 full-time equivalents, and use that time on other valuable projects. Large customers like Mayo Clinic has reduced order processing time from 89 minutes to a few minutes by consolidating spend with PartSource and implementing integrations with their back-office systems. Once PartSource Pro is in place, managers like Pete can use the platform to easily track approvals and check the order status of critical parts all in one place. And the platform allows your techs to flag critical assets that are down and get text alerts right back to their phone once the parts have reached the dock. This helps you run your department, give access to what your team needs, and reduce the overall cost per patient bed. Just like Doug, Pete can look up orders within the system, but unlike Doug, he can see all the orders across the entire enterprise. He can track orders by order date, for example, and easily export the information to an Excel sheet for further analysis. Typically, depot repairs tend to be a black hole. With PartSource Pro, Pete can access all depot repairs in one place. He can see which equipment is waiting repair and which equipment has already been delivered across his organization, and he can track the progress every step of the way, from initiated to shipped, repaired, and delivered. Pete can also give his technicians access to all major products, including hundreds of minor equipment replacement options, averaging 20 to 30% less than market pricing. And since Pete is looking to take Siemens off contract later this year, he can purchase advanced education courses right on the platform. PartSource provides pre-negotiated rates for training programs to improve the skill set of his team. Our CEO came on board a few years ago, and one of the first things he did was to hire a chief quality officer who led our company to achieve and maintain an ISO 9001:2015 certification. Today, we actively manage over 3,000 suppliers using quality scorecards, and our quality return rate is now 7 times better than the national average. PartSource uses our patented quality ranking module to constantly measure the quality of the products we sell on the platform and provide supplier scorecards directly back to the OEMs. When defects become an issue, we deploy a team to the site to evaluate the issue. We completed over 30 supplier audits this past year alone for our top 200 suppliers to drive quality and regulatory compliance within our supply chain. We are increasing our percentage of secondary market purchases while reducing our quality return rates, which speaks to the value we're providing with our quality engine, using evidence-based outcomes data. We de-risk buying on the secondary market and take the decision point off the table for the techs by using data to drive the quality of the available product options. And we provide that information right back to you during business reviews, so you can see the improvements firsthand. Many clinical engineering departments are being asked to reduce their budgets, and PartSource Pro makes it easy to do it. In this part of the demo, you will see how PartSource Pro can help you better manage and control your budget while forecasting and controlling spend. Once PartSource Pro is in place, you now have access to detailed dashboards showing you what is being spent and where. With visual analytics, you can see your parts and services spend over time. You get a detailed breakdown for which products are being purchased across Biomed and imaging, by category, and in what condition. You can see which manufacturer and device is consuming most of your spread across which facilities, technician, and location. Each area of this report is completely dynamic, so if you want to see what type of GE products are being purchased, you can simply click on GE to automatically update the rest of the report. Now you can see which technicians at which locations are ordering most of the GE products. After clearing the filters, you'll notice you could have saved over $100,000 in missed cost savings. By applying additional filters, you can quickly tell where you should add a policy rule on certain manufacturers to capture those savings across my facilities. Using our formulary feature, you can set up purchase policies with a few clicks right on the platform. So when your techs search for products that have equivalent quality at a lower cost, they will see your organization's preferred choice. You can set up rules that allow technicians to disregard the formulary, but they will need to put in the reason codes so you can monitor these decisions over time. Once in place, you will see that the platform becomes a powerful tool for your organization, helping drive continual improvements. For example, Intermountain is using PartSource Pro to save over $40,000 per month, and Arkansas Children's Hospital is now using PartSource Pro to reduce its inventory and run a virtual inventory, saving $200,000 per year. PartSource is so much more than just a parts vendor. We help you manage multiple aspects of your budgets, from parts to contracts to labor, including offering on-demand service, depot repair, access to rentals, and full equipment. A typical hospital often has to manage an average of 180 suppliers. With PartSource Pro, you can take that down to just one partner, giving you access to the same quality products you currently get, but from a single powerful solution. We have hundreds of people in sourcing, constantly working to get you better price points. And because we run on a single platform, you get to enjoy those improvements almost instantly. During our regular business reviews, we will share with you new discount pricing and new products and services that we add regularly. To avoid delays in repair, along with lost revenue, waiting patients, and idle staff, PartSource has built a command center to manage and monitor the entire supply chain. We use data science to automatically stock products in our warehouse so you get access to parts and increase your uptime even when suppliers have back-ordered parts on their end or are slow to ship. And we don't stop there. We are on your side, providing the tools and an entire support network to help your department succeed and take on new challenges. We hold a personal one-to-one business review with our clients each month to outline strategies that help drive quality improvements and cost savings. This year, we have launched our online community and a way to get access to toolkits and how-to guides like capital planning, AEM toolkit, and database. We are expanding these best practices and shared learnings each month to help our clients drive even higher performance. I hope I was able to show you why PartSource Pro has grown to service over 1,000 hospitals in such a short period of time. To summarize, we looked at how your technicians can use PartsSource.com to get in, get out, and get on with their day, providing a one-stop shop with all the workflow tracking and features they need to service their customers. You've seen how management staff can benefit from the workflow features and time-saving CMMS ERP integration features to optimize and reduce overall cost per patient bed. And finally, we showed you how PartSource Pro can help you manage your supply chain, implementing purchasing policies that will help avoid unnecessary cost, increase quality, and become more efficient overall. One of our customers perhaps said it best. The minute I realized that PartSource Pro is really a software-enabled service platform is the minute I saw things differently. PartSource is a true partner to run my business into the future. We think your organization will experience similar results and look forward to having you join the PartSource Pro community. Thank you for your time.